So, ma'am, what do you think? How was the economy paper of Mains 2025 this year?
I think this year's paper, I wouldn't say that it was too easy or too difficult. If you had good concepts in agricultural sector, especially if you had, you were very well aware with the current affairs, you were revising your indices and the schemes, then these 8 questions of the economy were very attemptable.
Okay, any expected questions from the syllabus?
Yes, I think the agricultural segment was totally from the syllabus itself. For example, they asked about the food processing industries, or they asked about the supply chain management, they asked about high value crops. These are some repetitive topics also. So these topics are something that are expected.
And how current affairs was related?
I think when we talk about the HDI and IHDI, that was more about this year's HDI report. Then, if we talk about the fiscal health index, again, Niti Aayog published it in this year itself. Then, if we talk about the PLI scheme, again, it was very much in news this year. So, I would say that yes, it was very much current affairs oriented as well. And a lot of questions were asked from the past two ICS economy books as well. Like out of 8 questions, 4 were directly and 2 were indirectly asked from the Thastu ICS book. So I think that we have covered much of it and I have done full length analysis of it. So you can check that out to know what model points should have been there in your answers.